is the ECOVACS GOAT A3000 LiDAR Pro robot lawnmower, and I've reviewed ECOVACS robot vacuums before. It's clear to me that they've taken some of that knowledge and tech know-how and brought it to the GOAT A3000. Now, this is a sponsored video with ECOVACS. I want that to be clear right now, but whether this is sponsored or not, this is even more impressive than other robot lawnmowers that I've used so far, and it's gonna absolutely change how you mow your lawn, because it's not just a robot lawnmower, but it has an integrated TruEdge trimmer system right here that can finish the edges. And that takes it up another level. Now, not all of them have edge trimming, so I'll show you the entire setup and my experience with it, but let's start with what's in the box first, and this is a hefty box. Now, there are multiple parts here that we're gonna pull out, but you'll have the big setup instructions on top, and then this is the TruEdge trimmer system, right, that we're gonna attach in a moment. You'll also have two brushes here for it, the top part of the charging dock, and then the GOAT A3000 LiDAR Pro lawnmower itself. This thing is big and impressive, and you'll see it's a really good size. It has a modern and approachable design for a lawnmower robot, so nothing that looks too weird or too shocking. Up top here, though, this is the Holoscope 360 dual LiDAR navigation system that's used to map your entire lawn area. And then here's the base of the charging system. That's really the home base for the lawnmower. Now, there's a little manual labor for the setup that's involved here, so I'm gonna need to screw on the TruEdge system first on the top side here until it's secure, and then we're gonna flip up the GOAT A3000 up to connect the last two screws so it's on there with a nice tight fit. And then I'll snap on the two brushes that go along the edge of the TruEdge trimmer. And it looks like we've got everything in place, so now we need to actually set up and connect it through the ECOVACS app on your phone. So we're gonna power this thing up, and then you'll create a PIN number for the robot lawnmower, scan the QR code on it, and that's what you'll need to pair it with your phone app. And we'll most likely have to run some firmware updates once you connect it to your Wi-Fi, so wait that out. But now the initial setup is all about the mapping here, and you'll be able to fine tune this later, but the GOAT A3000 can scan your lawn and can generally understand what is grass and what isn't, and create a map that is represented on the app. But the perimeter is initially done on its own with its LiDAR system. You don't have to touch a thing and just let it do its job, unless you want to fine tune it later on. But once you get the entire perimeter, it represents that lawn on your app. Now you can then go in and add any no entry zones and manually control and move the lawnmower around the areas where you do not want it to go, just like I did around this tree, because we know it's gonna have a lot of trouble. We have an area that has dirt, uneven ground, and exposed roots. I don't want it to go there. But the mapping is just like your home with a robot vacuum, and it uses its Holoscope 360 dual LiDAR system that's also complemented by its AI camera that's over here in the front to be very accurate. In fact, it has a 2 centimeter accuracy. What I also like about this setup is that it does not require any wires or boundary systems or additional hardware to set up to create boundary points. Setting this robot lawnmower doesn't get easier than this right now. And if you know what it's like in the past, this is easy peasy. Now, you can adjust everything in the mowing settings, from its speed at 1.31 feet per second or as fast as 2.3 feet per second. You can even adjust the height of the blades underneath for 1.2 inches or go all the way up to 3.5 inches, but I'm gonna stick to a height at its lowest at 1.2. There are also robot settings for safety, and you can toggle them on or off. These lab features have things like obstacle recognition or avoiding people with its human detection mode. You can see it made sure to avoid the light post here on its own and work around it on my lawn. Later on, we even put a basketball down in its path, and it smoothly avoided it as well and went back to finish the mowing job around it later. This all happens on the fly, so it's another example of its AI camera and LiDAR system reacting in real time to any changes, and it can detect over 200 different types of obstacles. Now, that LiDAR system also allows it to work at night, right? So you can do this during the day, you can do it during the night, and it's just fun to watch this thing go back and forth on its own. It's cutting grass, and if you're familiar with a robot vacuum, then managing this robot lawnmower will feel very similar. Now, underneath, you have its dual blade disc design that runs on a 32-volt high-powered platform, and it's a gap-free system that doesn't miss any areas. Whatever it goes over, it's gonna mow. Now, this guy can mow 400 square meters per hour, and it also has super fast charging as well when it goes back to its dock. For my lawn, it was easily able to do this without needing to recharge at all. I also have to say, what instantly stuck out to me is just how freaking quiet this is, right? You can run this anytime during the day, at night. I mean, it just sounds like you might be rolling a light cart over the grass. You barely hear it when you're outside as it's working, and you won't hear it at all when you're inside. There's no way you're gonna hear it. It can also handle lawns with a 50% slope or a 27-degree incline because, yes, not every lawn is perfectly flat. Some people have some little rolling hills on there. But you can see here how it efficiently maps out the lawn in the app and follows a predictable path and pattern that you can follow. Now, after the lawn was mowed, I then went into the trimming mode, and that's when the GOAT A3000 goes along the perimeter that was initially set and does all of the edge trimming. This is one of just a handful of robot lawnmowers with a trimmer integrated into the system, right? There aren't many, and it's a differentiating feature. It uses high-speed rotating flexible strings to cut the grass on the edges, and its AI camera system can determine grass versus no grass areas. You can see when it got right up to this concrete and cut up some of the grass that was hanging over the edge to finish the edges. And this is normally done by a dedicated trimmer, but the TruEdge system is integrated into this lawnmower system. I wonder if they call this thing the GOAT because, look, goats like eating grass, or because we also refer to the GOAT as the greatest of all time. Because this robot lawnmower, this is able to capably handle what 2 different tools do and manpower requires, all of this saving hours and hours of time for you. And again, other than the initial setup and a few things that you might need to tweak after, this is truly a hands-free mowing experience. Now, if you have a home with multiple areas with lawns in different locations, it can handle that. Plus, this also is IPX6 waterproof, which means it can work in rainy weather conditions, but it also can be easily cleaned. You just shoot it down with a hose. It can handle that as well. But you can see the results here. This is the before shot, right? Before we mowed the lawn. And then check this out. Here are the results after. Yeah, it really does an excellent job, and I came away impressed because of how much easier it is to operate compared to some other robot lawnmowers in the past. Now, even after shooting this video, I made some refinements and extended the lawn areas right up to some of the other edges in places that didn't extend on its first mapping run. You can do that too, but you can see how this is another product category that continues to get better and better over time with new tech advancements and features. And if you're watching this and you're thinking it's pretty awesome, look, I was wowed too. The key features that stand out to me and why it's able to be so good is, first, you got the Holoscope 360 dual LiDAR system and its AI camera that work together. Those are really like the eyes and the brains of the GOAT A3000. And then easily the TruEdge trimmer, right? That's what elevates this into something more than just a lawnmower. I think that this robot lawnmower makes sense for a lot of people. First of all, if you want to save time and you can stop paying others to do the work for you, that's going to be a no-brainer. This is for any homeowner with a lawn that they just don't have time to take care of for themselves. Also, if you're always traveling, you're always on the go, and you don't have much time to take care of the lawn for yourself, this makes sense for you. You can remotely just set it to mow the lawn. Also, if you love the coolest tech toys, which I do, and you want to save time, this also makes perfect sense for you like it does for me. I mean, this is a legit, not only a tech toy, but an amazing piece of technology. Like, I came away genuinely impressed by how good this lawnmower performs, how easy it was to set up compared to others in the past, how efficient it is, and really how freaking quiet it is. And I know it's a significant investment with what, a starting price of $2,499, but the value over time is truly there. And I can say the ECOVACS GOAT A3000 LiDAR Pro lives up to its name as one of the GOATs, or greatest of all time robot lawnmowers today. Now, if you want to find out more information about it, hey, check out the links in the description of the video. But just like I've told you, and in all these other videos, a robot vacuum will change your life, right? Well, if you have a lawn that you have trouble finding the time to take care of, okay, well, this will also change your life. It is that good. All right, everybody, that's the ECOVACS GOAT A3000 LiDAR Pro robot lawnmower. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you all on the next video.